Good afternoon in sunny California. Okay, folks, actually I'm reviewing two products today. Actually, one that's sitting up on the tripod is a brand new webcam I just purchased, and also my all-purpose jumper and backup power supply. Okay, so far I like both products. This is really cool. I've tried it out actually on this tractor, and because it always has a dead battery, the charge only lasts about 1 day and it's dead. So I tested the jumper on this baby, and also since I always get flat tires, I also inflated the tires. So this is a really cool thing to have around, especially if you have a place like ours where there's a tractor and things you got to keep running. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump start this right on. She's ready to go. So we'll go ahead and see if it'll start. Okay, I also have a low tire, so I can blow that up too. So I can put this stuff back together real quick. Okay, so we're back where we were now. Now we can take it over here and blow up the tire. Let's see, everything you need is back here. You got your, here we go. All right. It also has a monitor. You can keep an eye on it. Right now it's at 5 pounds, supposed to be inflated to 20. She's coming up real quick. Okay, we're at 9 pounds now. So anyway, you've seen enough how it works. Okay, I turn that off. Put this back up here, and we'll put it away. So I've also tested this on the 110, see how it works as a backup for your emergency lighting, and it works great. So this is kind of all around tool. I think everybody should have one of these, and you can do just about everything with it. All right, anyway, I'm real happy with this. I'm real glad that I ordered it, and I highly recommend it.